And this is Mariam.
Thank you so much. बहुत शुक्रिया। Thank you. Take care of yourself. Get well soon. Trial होता है कि you don't want to miss the serious one in the beginning, and you don't want to see the one who's not so unwell right at the beginning. So there's a area here, and the system through it we triage them and categorize them into categories, and then send them to what needs to be done according to that. So this will be our triage station. And इसमें systems in there, so blood pressure, temperature सबको देख के they can actually work out कि किसको सबसे पहले देखें. Access को एक plan से है.
What is your regular patient inflow?
So about this has over 1,000 patients every day, just the emergency.
Every day? Just the emergency?
Just the emergency. So this is our resuscitation, which actually patients वहाँ से enter होते हैं, हमने अपने यहाँ से खोला हुआ है. So this is where the really unwell, serious patients come up. We can do their intubation here right away. We can do dialysis them over there. There are 8 beds over here. इसमें बच्चे बड़े सब आते हैं. I think there are 4 or 5 patients who are sick. So we will let them. Patient का flow बहुत सही हो, staff का and equipment and provision. So those who are not extremely sick and can wait are given a category which is a P4 or a P5. And so they come here. And then we have
like a waiting room.
Yeah. And ये Badin है. ये Gwadar है. So in both the hospitals, Badin is supported by Sindh government, and this is by Balochistan government. हमारे कंसल्टेंट हैं.
Assalamualaikum. कैसे हैं आप? खैरियत से?
डॉक्टर रजन सर, ये चेयर है, ये हेड ऑफ डिपार्टमेंट है यार के. And you can see each patient is being categorized. You can see P1, P2, P3. So they are called according to their need and according to that. And somebody can, the gentleman sitting here would call them, and they would, come accordingly and उसके हिसाब से देखते हैं. But we're continuing to work on that.
Yeah, that's very impressive.
If we go all the way down there, then that's the end of the year, and then the whole outpatient starts over there. The donor, but a partner, and all of these people have, mashallah, been very, very
over a million
donations.
All the donors are वही सर शबाद मलिक वो दसूद भी और राजा साहब का अपना इनका सारा राजा साहब सर आप पूरे मुल्क को सर आप
This is our 10th floor.
इंडस रखा इसके अगेंस्ट रिवर जाके हमने
वो जो आप देख रहे हैं सामने, that is the Indus University of Health Sciences.
Okay, so वो अभी बन रहा है.
वो भी बनता है इंशाल्लाह, not far. और इस तरह के there are 4 blocks. One is university and 3 are hospitals. High dependency units.
Okay.
फिर wards and high dependency units.
Assalamualaikum. और ये कितना बड़ा है आपके लिए? Assalamualaikum.
This is 72 bedded thing. तो ये जो है, I'll show you. This is जो
Assalamualaikum.
So, when you come into these places, the good thing about it is, so they're siblings, or they themselves who can manage, they would sit here, play around. So वो जो डर है ना, that goes away for them.
How lovely.
So we try to keep it as patient friendly as possible. And then I want to talk to someone if you want to.
It's okay.
That's it. So basically, और
Cancer patients
भी हैं. इस फ्लोर पे नहीं है, इसके ऊपर वाले फ्लोर पे अभी उसके थोड़ा वो हो रहा है देखो. बट येस, वी हैव अ होल फ्लोर जस्ट फॉर पीडियाट्रिक कैंसर. मगर वी आर द लार्जेस्ट पीडियाट्रिक कैंसर यूनिट करंटली रनिंग. तो वो आहिस्ता आहिस्ता बिल्डिंग में सब चीज़ें आ रही हैं. बस ये जो हमारा है, ये एक न्यूमेटिक सिस्टम है, क्योंकि हमारी लैब देखो इतनी बड़ी बिल्डिंग है, लैब एक जगह है, आप पोर्टर के साथ भेजें, इट्स गोइंग टू टेक सच अ लॉन्ग टाइम. सो यू पुट इन योर सैंपल इन देयर, पुट इट इन देयर, and it's a vacuum, and it will just send it to exactly where it has to go. So होगा
automatically. To be close,
पहुंच जाएगा.
it go down unless
Down to the and the same will come back
it
up
go
again.
down.
Thank
Then
you.
it come up.
चला गया,
चला गया?
चला गया.
gone for test.
And how many operating theatres do you have?
इसमें 12 here and 12 next to it, 24 on this floor. Eventually we'll have 36. 7 and 7 in.
Assalamualaikum.
This is a modular theatre. It has cameras in its lights which project on various screens, and there's more than one screen ताकि एक surgeon इधर खड़ा है उधर खड़ा है, they can see that nothing is on the floor connected. It's come from the top, and all top of the line gear has been provided to it. It's all इसमें इसी का system है जो हमारा IT का system है. This can also be relayed anywhere else in the world, so we do a lot of teaching through that. अगर कोई कॉन्फ्रेंसेज हो उसमें भी आसानी है, यहाँ बंदों को भरने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, चैन से कॉन्फ्रेंस रूम में बिठा के उनको सारी सर्जरी दिखा सकते हैं. So that's the advantage कि wherever the surgeon is seeing, so is the camera is seeing that. अभी तो इसको फोकस किया हुआ है उस पर.
Very impressive.
ये भी सेंसर है ताकि पानी ना जाए और just just opens up and goes. The same thing. ये वो भी है.